The 150B2 Ultra Rugged Mobile Phone, a durable and powerful smartphone designed to withstand tough environments. With its robust construction and impressive features, this smartphone is built to handle demanding situations. The 150B2 Ultra features a large 6.8-inch front display, providing you with a spacious and immersive viewing experience. Additionally, it is equipped with a 1.1-inch rear display, offering quick access to notifications and essential information without the need to unlock the phone. Powered by the MTK Helio G99 CPU, the IIIF150B2 Ultra delivers reliable performance and efficient multitasking capabilities. With 12 GB of RAM, you can expect smooth operation even when running multiple applications simultaneously. The smartphone also provides ample storage space, with its 256 GB ROM, utilizing UFS 2.2 technology for faster data transfer speeds. Expand your storage even further with the TF card slot, which supports up to 1 TB of additional storage. This allows you to store a vast amount of files, photos, and videos, ensuring you have all your important data with you wherever you go. The IIIF150B2 Ultra features a convenient Type-C USB port, enabling fast and reliable data transfer and charging. With a weight of 465 grams and dimensions of 81.8 mm x 176.4 mm x 19.9 mm, this smartphone is designed to be compact and portable, making it easy to carry with you on your adventures. Equipped with a massive 15,000 mAh battery, the IIIF150B2 Ultra offers exceptional battery life, allowing you to use the phone for extended periods without worrying about running out of power. The smartphone also supports 65W fast charging with the included 20V 3.25A GaN charger, ensuring that you can quickly recharge your device and get back to using it in no time. In the box, you will find the IIIF150B2 Ultra smartphone, a 65W GaN charger for fast and efficient charging, a C2C cable for data transfer and charging, and a screen protective kit to keep your display safe from scratches and damage. In summary, the IIIF150B2 Ultra Rugged Mobile Phone offers a durable design, powerful performance, ample storage space, and a large battery capacity. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a professional in demanding environments, or someone who values a reliable and long-lasting smartphone, the IIIF150B2 Ultra is designed to meet your needs.